In 2018, Harvard neuroscientist Dr. Diana Tamir conducted brain scans on over 200 people. The result: superficial conversations activate the exact part of the brain that detects danger. That means your brain processes small talk as a threat. And that is precisely your greatest strength. Imagine Ria, a 28-year-old software engineer. At the office, when someone asks, "How was your weekend?" her brain sounds an alarm. Does that happen to you too? If yes, you are completely normal. This is not a personality defect. You belong to that 15 to 20% of people called deep thinkers. But here is a silent problem. This same strength can make you seem odd or arrogant in social situations, without you even realizing it. And after 30, this misunderstanding can slowly but surely destroy your relationships. Today I will show you 3 psychological reasons hidden in the minds of small talk avoiders. And most importantly, how to build a bridge that preserves your identity while protecting your relationships. Put yourself in this scene. You are at a party. People are laughing, stirring their coffee, and someone says, "Gas prices are insane these days." And you stand there as if you are hearing a foreign language. Your brain wonders, does anyone really care about the neighbor's new car? If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. A study from the University of Arizona in 2019 examined over 400 adults. Those who avoided small talk scored 34%, above average in complex problem solving and creative thinking. But these same people also suffer from emotional exhaustion more quickly, because their brain searches for depth in every conversation. And when it doesn't find any, the energy simply drains away. This is not a mental disorder. It is simply a mismatch, a gap between your brain's wiring and the default way the world communicates. And the good news is that this gap can be closed with awareness. Just like you once learned the language of a keyboard. So what is the solution? The solution is not to learn how to fake it. The solution is to see small talk as a bridge. A bridge lasts only 2 or 3 minutes. In that time, you can say a few key words that give the other person a small glimpse of your depth. For example, if someone asks, "How's the weather?" you say, "A bit cloudy, but this weather always gives me creative ideas." How about you? If someone asks, "What do you do for a living?" you say, "I work in data analysis." Lately I've been wondering how numbers and emotions connect. How is it in your field? See? You haven't left the surface, but you have opened a small window. And here is something important. If you have ever walked away from such a situation without saying a word, do not feel guilty. Your brain was drawing a boundary. Your energy is precious. You don't have to spend it everywhere. But if you want people not to misunderstand you and for the right people to come closer, then you can learn to build this small bridge. Just 10% effort, the other 90% of your brain is already wired to generate depth. A simple step for today. When someone asks you in the morning, "How are you?" do not answer, "Fine." Say instead, "My head is a little full right now, but I'm here." And you? This contains both vulnerability and a professional tone. Those who respond with respect are your people. Those who run away, their leaving is better for you. And I repeat, this gap is not a personality disorder. It is just a mismatch, and it can be closed forever with awareness and a small bridge. If you enjoyed this psychology, give this video a like. Not to make me feel good, but so that YouTube shows more videos like this to you, a deep thinker. And write in the comments, what was that one situation where you avoided small talk and later thought, "Maybe that was a mistake"? Or write the sentence you will say at the next party. Remember, Hating small talk is not weakness, it is depth. Just learn to build a small bridge, and the world will understand you. Subscribe as well for more psychology insights. And share this video with all those friends who are already looking for the exit before the party even ends.